When you route all of a user's internet traffic through CloudConnexa, there may be certain destinations that you don't want going through the secure tunnel. For example, users may need direct access to a resource on their local network, an on-premises system, or a performance-sensitive service. That's where tunnel bypass can help. Tunnel bypass lets you specify IP subnets that should use the user's local network gateway instead of being routed through CloudConnexa. This allows you to keep a secure by default configuration while making exceptions for specific destinations. Tunnel bypass is configured at the user group level, so different groups can have different exclusions based on their roles and access requirements. To configure it, sign into your CloudConnexa administration portal. From the left navigation menu, click Access and then select Internet. Find the user group you want to configure, and under the Internet Access column, click Manage Exclusions. Keep in mind that tunnel bypass is only available when the group's internet access setting is configured as split tunnel off or restricted internet. It isn't available with split tunnel on because, in that mode, traffic that isn't specifically routed through CloudConnexa already uses the local network gateway. In the tunnel bypass configuration panel, enter the destination subnets you want to exclude using CIDR notation. Enter one subnet per line. You can also paste a comma-separated or space-separated list, and CloudConnexa will automatically organize the entries for you. Before saving, make sure the subnets don't overlap with each other or conflict with existing WPC subnets, network routes, domain routing subnets, or IP service subnets. Also, keep in mind that application routing takes priority over tunnel bypass. If a domain is configured as an application, traffic to that domain will continue to use the CloudConnexa tunnel. Once you've added your destinations, click Update Tunnel Bypass. That's it. Traffic to those specific subnets will now bypass the CloudConnexa tunnel and route through the user's local network gateway, while the rest of their internet traffic continues to follow the user group's configured security policy.